Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Klarna to pay in store. So let's get right into it, or rather how to use it in Apple Pay. Now, as you can see here, I am on the official Klarna site. You will be able to pay with Klarna by using the in-store digital card, which is a single-use virtual card that is created within Klarna. Once the amount is authorized, the customer then adds the card to Apple Pay or Google Pay wallets and can make a purchase by using the tap to pay at the point of sale terminal within 24 hours of creating the card. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You do need to make that in-store digital card. As it says, it is a virtual card, meaning it is only in Klarna. It is well, pretty much data masked as a credit card. It is not actually a card, or either nor credit nor debit. So it is one-time use, and once you use it for that designated purpose, you need to first authorize it, and once you use it, it is gone. You cannot use it again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There is all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be seeing you guys next time.